You know, there are things in life that are worth paying full price for, and the Sweet of Forever products is certainly one of those items. However, I'm here to help you find the best prices and best deals on one of the greatest suites of product out there, Forever's product offers. I'm Ann Matuzak with Pixology. We're your photo estate planners. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why we use Forever and how I can help you get some really good deals on a great product. Forever is our go-to for that permanent, private, secure online storage. I know a lot of you are concerned about cloud storage and it going away or it being hacked or it being overwhelmed by some other company. Forever's different. And they're there to be your permanent home for your lifetime plus 100 years. So whether you are in the market to have some old videotapes and slides and reel-to-reel film converted into a digital format, or whether you're looking for storage to keep your things safe, or if you're looking to create a photo book or some beautiful wall art, Forever can be that resource. So the thing I'm going to focus on most today is the specials going on right now in June. Now, if you're watching this at a different time, don't worry. Pixology is here to help you find good deals no matter what time of year it is. We are actually ambassadors for Forever, which means we're here to answer your questions, give you support, help you find what you need, and of course we receive a commission for that as well. Now, the deals in June. Coming up are 2 days with deals that I feel like everyone should take note of. The first one is June 12th, and starting first thing in the morning at 9 a.m. Central until 9 a.m. Central on the 13th, you can purchase 10 gigabytes of storage for $199. That's the regular price. But you'll receive a second 10 gigabytes. So it's 20 gigabytes for $199. Pretty good deal. Better deal. You can purchase 25 gigabytes for $399. Good deal. You're getting a bonus of 5 gigabytes free. But once again, you can buy 25 and get 25 free. So 50 gigabytes for $399. That is a really decent deal. Now, gigabytes and photos and how much can I put there, that can get really overwhelming and confusing. So let me give you some really rough guidelines. In a 10 gigabyte account, which is not where you're going to start, you would get roughly 3,500 to 4,000 images in there. And you're saying, wait, why didn't I start with 10 gigabytes? Well, you can set up your account first with a free 2 gigabyte starter account. Make sure you're connected to Pixology as your ambassador. And if you have problems with that, just give us a call. Our number's listed down below. Or you can make sure that when it says choose your ambassador, you type in Pixology. That's me and my partner Molly. So you start with your 2 gigabytes, you purchase your 10 gigabytes, and you're going to be able to put 3,000 to 4,000 photos in there. That's a couple shoeboxes. So if you have more, or if you have videotapes, or you have film, or slides, or all those other things, you might be looking to start with something more like a 25 or 50 gig account. When you get up to 50 gigabytes, you're looking at well over 25,000 photos and slides and so on and so forth. But for some people that are doing a family account, that's still just the starting point for them. I'll say that's the truth for me. I certainly needed more than that. With 4 children and 3 grandchildren and a whole family collection of photos and movies, I had to go beyond that myself. So If you decide to hold off on June 12th, wait till June 14th. Now I know that's a Sunday, but I promise both myself and Molly are available for a phone call, a text, or an email, and we'll help you through the next sale, which is 100 gigabytes at half price. You think, well, what happened to buy one, get one free? Well, here's the deal. Forever discounts storage as you get bigger accounts. So 100 gigabytes is only going to cost you $499. If you think back, you were buying 25 for $399. For only $100 more, you can double that. And that's going to be the size that larger families will probably want to have. So that is one of my favorites. But we can make that even better too. Also on the 14th, there is a club special. You think, well, why do I need to belong to a club? Well, here's why. It will save you money. If you've never joined Forever Club before, it is simply a bank account for your photo spending. So just like you might have been part of a Christmas club at your bank before, Forever Club allows you to put a little bit of money aside every month and then use it to pay for things when you're ready. So what's really special about Christmas in June is you can invest $50 a month for June, July, and August. And in September, Forever will reward you with a matching check for those 3 months. You will get $150 bonus to the $150 you've invested. I don't know anywhere where you can get double your money back guaranteed other than Forever. So if you sign up for Club first, not only will that lock you into that 3-month special of matching your $25 a month or $50 a month for 3 months, but club members also get 5% off almost everything they purchase, including half-price sales. So that means that your $499 now gets to take an extra $25 off, which is 5% of $500, bringing your cost down to $474.50. And not quite done yet. Maybe you've never tried Forever before, and so you started your account this month with us as well. When you start a new account with Forever, you get a $15 gift card. So you can stack that too. All of a sudden, your 100 gigabytes is only going to cost out of pocket $469.50. It's kind of an amazing one-time investment to own your storage for yourself, your children, and your great-greats down the road. I hope this helps you save some money, but more importantly, preserve your story, because there's really nothing else like it. Your story is you. So I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to our video channel here at Pixology, because we have a lot of information to share with you that's going to be maybe even life-changing. I'm going to encourage you to start your Forever account with Pixology as your ambassador, or get ready to add to your storage, because there's no sale quite like this one. And if you're watching this and you think, oh no, it's July, I missed it, give us a call. We'll help you find the next best deal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.